Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Flowchart. This is the second part. Class 5. This is Class 5 CBSE Syllabus, Chapter 2, Basic Programming, Flowchart. Today we are going to see about Flowchart decision boards. Let us start. Here, as you can see, this is a program, and in this program we are going to learn. So, first step, draw a flowchart to compute a maximum of 2 numbers. I already did that. Now maximum. I need to draw a flowchart to compute a maximum of 2 numbers. This is the maximum of 2 numbers. This is the first step. I already did it. As you can see, first we have ellipse, the start, then a flow line, then we have the input or read. So it reads X and Y. We have 2 numbers. Those numbers are X and Y. Under that you can see a decision box. In this decision box, you can see X and a greater symbol and a Y. So that means X is greater than Y. That's what is written here. So what is X? X is an example like, let me tell you an example. X is equal to 50 and Y is equal to 25. So, we are going to see which X or Y, which number is maximum number. That's what we are going to see. So, X is greater than Y. We have the greater symbol here. It's saying X is greater than Y. And then we have a flow line. It is going in a direction. In a left direction and in a down direction. And the flow line says no. So X is greater than Y. If it is no, X is not greater than Y. If it is no, X is not greater than Y. That means Y is greater than X. No means Y is greater than X. So, here we have a rectangular box, a processing box that says maximum is equal to Y. Maximum is equal to 25. 50 greater than 25. It says no. 20 is the maximum. 25 is the maximum number. And then we have a flow line that goes down and right to a connector. So what if the answer was yes? If the answer to 50 greater than 25 is yes, that means 50 is the maximum number. And we have a flow line that's going down and left to a connector. And we are using this connector because to join these two flow lines. Below the connector, we have a flow line that goes to in the output one also display the maximum. So, this will display the maximum number. So, our goal here is to figure the maximum number. And the maximum number is X. Because X is equal to 50 and Y is equal to 25. 50 is greater than 25. So, to display the X as 50 equal to maximum. And then, flow line, and we have ellipse, which shows stop. That's the end of the program. So, this program to make a program like this, you definitely need a decision box. So, what type of program we are looking at? We are looking at a program that we have to draw the flowchart to compute means calculation. Okay? We have to draw a flowchart to compute a maximum of 2 numbers. So, that is the first step. For the second step, we are using the exact example. We are using the same example for the second step. Alright? The second step is draw a flowchart to calculate a minimum. Maximum means high, minimum means low. So, this shows minimum of 2 numbers. In this first step, we have to draw a flowchart to compute a maximum of 2 numbers. In this step, it's showing that we have to draw a flowchart to compute a minimum of 2 numbers. So, right now we are in draw.io. We were first in Paint. Now we are going to draw.io. As you can see, this is a program used for minimum, and we are using the same example. The example was x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 25. So in this program, we have start at the top and stop in the bottom. So it's all the same. But here we have that minimum. We have minimum. We are seeing our goal in this program is to find out and to find out the minimum number. To find out the smallest number. So, first in the top we have start and we have a flow line. Underneath that we have an input read and it will read x and y. X is equal to 50 and y is equal to 25. Under that we have a flow line which connects to the decision box. Decision box, it shows x is less than y. So x is less than y. That means 50 is less than 25. So x is less than y. If it is no, that means minimum will be y. If it is no, then the minimum number will be y. But if it is yes, the minimum number will be x, because x is less than y. No, y is less than y. Y is less than x. They are saying no. That means they are saying that y is less than x. But if it is yes, they are saying that x is less than y. Yes, x is less than y. That is correct. And then we have a flow lines, 2 flow lines connecting to one connector. That's why we need a connector to join the flow lines to a connector. Below the connector, we have a flow line. Below that flow line, we have an output box. It is showing, it will display the minimum number. The minimum number is y, because y is 25 and x is 50. So minimum means small and the small number is y. And our goal is to find the small number. We found a small number and it is y. So it will display y as the minimum number. And then a flow line that will connect to the end, stop, with an ellipse So that's how this all works. Point is about the decision box and the less symbol and the greater symbol and the less symbol. These are the symbols. So our goal was to find out the minimum number by using two numbers. And our other goal was to find out a maximum number using two numbers. The both are same, but for one we are using minimum, for other we are using maximum. That's the difference. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned a lot of things about decision boards and flowchart. If you didn't watch the previous video, go watch it because that video has all the information about flowchart and algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned a lot of things. Thank you. Bye.